Yo, YouTube, it's your boy White Kid here, and I'm back with another fucking YouTube video. Today I'm actually here with the Yellow Kid and the Shawarma Kid, and we're gonna do a taste test. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so I'm back, and not gonna lie, that shit was fucking hot, man. That shit was pretty good. Yeah, I especially like the bun and the burger. So yeah. See you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Subscribe for more epic content.
Hashtag Roto10subs.
If you guys are like me, you like to keep your data protected. So that's why I want to give a quick shout out to this video sponsor, NordVPN. Guys, you can check it out. I use it every day, and I wouldn't recommend something I would not approve for use. So guys, check it out. And yeah, I wouldn't